In this episode, we'll take a closer look at the family types we introduced in previous episodes. Start by clicking on the Family Types tool. The familiar window will appear, showing some of the parameters we previously created. In addition to those, you'll see two other tabs, IFC Parameters and Identity Data. Click on Identity Data, and you'll find some default values included in the template, many of which are commonly used in real-world projects. Next, click the paper icon with a star to create a new type. For this example, we'll name it height 2200x, depth 900x, width 1000 to reflect the overall dimensions of the electrical cabinet. Click OK to confirm. In the Dimensions section, we currently don't have a parameter for the total height of the cabinet, so let's create one. Name it Total Panel Height, and add a tooltip that says Total Height of the electrical cabinet. In the Formula column, enter a formula to help Revit automatically calculate part dimensions based on the total height. This is especially useful when adjusting sizes, as Revit will recalculate other dimensions accordingly. For the formula, we'll use total panel height minus base panel height. Then click Apply. You can create as many family types as needed for your project. Just remember to update the parameters to match the name of each type. This helps avoid any confusion when placing families in real projects. For example, I'll create another type named height 1600x, depth 800x, width 900. I'll set the total height to 1600, the base width to 900, and the body height to 1500. In conclusion, creating and managing family types in Revit allows you to build more flexible, scalable, and accurate models. By defining clear parameters and formulas, you can quickly adapt families to different sizes and project requirements without having to rebuild from scratch. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency across your designs. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for the next episode where we'll continue exploring powerful Revit tools to enhance your workflow.